We're in a sister location.
But more to the point, what is this? Right here. Oh. Sick. The suspense. Oh. 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 Is that Tesco? You know what? Every little does help. More to the point, what's this? Well, I don't know if you can read that, but I believe this is a Samsung. Z Flip. Yo! Sick. Z Flip 3 5G. Now, let me change the angle. Well, we're gonna have to take off these two bits, so allow me to do that. Right, oh shit. I can't keep it in place. Well, there's that. A bit forceful. Is there any way to sort of take it? I'm not too sure. So, there's the phone. It's quite tall. I got the Phantom Black because it's a matte sort of texture as opposed to all the others which are glossy. Let's just quickly take the tab out. That was semi-appealing. Not as good as iPhones. Right, then here we have all the paperwork. Now, I'll tell you what it is. This might not be the paperwork. This might be just the cable. Yeah. So, USB cable, quick start guide, SIM eject tool. We'll be needing that if I can get it out. Should we see if it's got any charge? Yo! So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I'll have more, maybe not. I'll have more to say about this phone. Obviously there's a lot to say when it comes to my last video and how I was saying that like an iPhone 10 is all that you need nowadays. And the fact that I've got like a bleeding edge flip phone right here. You know, so I'll be making a review on this. I am absolutely psyched. Sorry there hasn't been a lot of like sort of memey moments. I've been very much focusing on how this thing works, because at the end of the day there are reasons why I bought this phone and I think they're justified. I think they really are. But all I need to do is transfer all the files, all my contacts, the SIM. I need to charge this and I also need to write up the review. But apart from that, that's been me, Vapid Square, and I'll see you guys in a bit.